Well, good morning, good afternoon. I don't know what time it is where you are, but this is Ema with Ema's Garden, and I wanted to serve you up today on a silver platter. I wanted to share with you my recipe for my morning sea moss drink, and let me tell you about it. I started out just doing just some pineapples and couple of string beans and a little almond chocolate milk, right? So I said, you know what, let me get a little bit more creative and let me tell you what I did. So you see how green it is? Yes! Let me tell you about the green. The green is moringa. I added the moringa because it's an antioxidant. It's antiviral. It gives you energy. It keeps your blood levels where they're supposed to be. Moringa is called the miracle tree. If you didn't know about it, I suggest you go and do a little research on it because it is a miracle to your body. And of course, I added pineapples, I added spinach, and I added the blueberries, fresh blueberries. Right in the back, you see my purple sea moss, and I had all of that, and I put it all together. And then I said, I think I want to add something else. So let me tell you what I added. Ginger and cayenne pepper. And you talking about a kick. You talking about a lift. When I took my first sip, it was absolutely powerful. The energy that you get in the morning is some of your best energy of the day, starting you out mentally, physically, and spiritually alert, giving you that extra that you need to carry on your successful day. So I just thought I would share with you on a silver platter, and I put this, you know what this is? This is a conch shell. It comes out the ocean, and it came in some of the dives, and it was actually a real shell. It actually had the actual sea merchant in it. And so the guys brought it back. They cleaned it out because I don't really eat that. But anyway, they brought it back because I wanted the shell because it is so beautiful. And you know, they always say that you could pick up the shell and you could put it to your ear and actually hear the ocean sounds. And you know what? That's true because I definitely heard something. Don't ask me if it was an ocean sound or not, but it sure sounded like an ocean. And so being is that my one of my mottos is of land and sea. That's from the sea. This is from the land. And this is going in my stomach. And I just wanted to share this recipe with you. So remember, you have moringa, you have ginger, you have cayenne pepper, you have pineapple, you have spinach, you have, of course, your purple sea moss, and I actually did a elderberry sea moss that went in this. So I just wanted to share that with you. Try it. I believe you'll like it. And I'm going to also put the ingredients down below. And remember, don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell me about other videos that you might be interested in. Oh, let me share something else with you. Sometimes I shop at this store now called Aldi's. And I found this fern. Isn't it beautiful? Look at those leaves, how pretty and green. And it came in this pretty little container, and it just was, I thought it was the cutest thing. So I said, you know, why not show it off in my morning video to you all? Give you not only beauty, but health and wellness. So I hope you enjoyed this short video, and I want you to have a wonderful and productive and joyful day. Signing off. Don't forget to like and subscribe. EMA.